Life is slowly returning to normalcy in Manipur districts, which saw relentless violence over the past week. The northeastern region has seen decades of unrest among ethnic and separatist groups and was rocked once again by ethnic violence after clashes broke out between the Meiteis and tribals over the former's demand for inclusion in the scheduled tribe category. The issue has reached the Supreme Court, which will hear a batch of pleas on the Manipur situation today. A Supreme Court bench of Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice P.S. Narasimha and J.B. Pardiwala will be hearing the pleas. The bench will hear 3 petitions, including one by a BJP MLA challenging the High Court order on the issue of scheduled tribe status to the Meitei community, and a PIL by a tribal outfit for an SIT probe into the recent violence in Manipur. The petition filed by Manipur Tribal Forum on May 6 was urgently listed for hearing on May 8 before the 3-judge bench. The petition stated that the situation in the state was extreme and these attacks had the full support of the party in power in the state as well as the centre, which supports the dominant group and has planned the attacks on account of a non-secular agenda. The Manipur Tribal Forum said there have been sparks even in the national capital where Kukis have come under attack by the dominant community. Petitioners also have a few videos and photos of the assailants during the assault on the tribals, and some of these videos and photos show burning of churches, beating of tribals and assailants walking around with semi-automatic weapons, which is surprising because even the police force would not be in possession of such modern and deadly weapons. It has asked the Apex Court to order a team to be put together to conduct an inquiry into the villages burnt and assess the value of property destroyed in the violence. The petition has listed at least 58 villages in this regard. The petition said that the state should be directed to compensate the people and reconstruct the churches. Since clashes broke out between the Meitei community and the tribals in Manipur, 23,000 people have been rescued from the violence-hit areas and moved to military camps. However, life returned to very normalcy in Imphal Valley on Saturday as shops and markets reopened and cars started plying on the roads. With normalcy being restored in the State Home Department directed the district magistrates and deputy commissioners to relax the curfew in parts of their districts from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. every day. The restrictions were relaxed in Churchandrapur from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Sunday to allow people buy essential items such as food and medicines.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.